Hi, hello, myself Prafulla Kumar. I'm a lecturer in chemistry. Today I'm discussing the topic is chemical pesticide. The synthesis and technical manufacture and uses of carbamate. So mainly thing the group is carbaryl group. So next move on to the introduction of carbaryl. So here carbaryl is a wide spectrum carbamate insecticide which controls over 100 species of insects on citrus fruit. So it's very one of the important thought here 100 species of insects on citrus fruit, cotton, forests, lawns, nuts, ornamentals, shade trees, and other crops as well as on poultry, livestock, and pets. So here the carbonyl is a wide spectrum. The carbamate is the carbon and nitrogen containing a pesticide which are affected on which control the citrus fruits, cotton, forest, lawns, different kinds of the diseases avoided by the carbonyl pesticide and also a pets and livestock. Carbonyl is formulated as solid which varies from colorless to white gray depending on the purity of the compound. If the purity of the compound changes, for example, whenever the colorless solid can acquire the sunlight or can accumulate or absorb some sunlight or air, so these are the very important thing to be a change in the color for colorless to white gray depending on the purity of the compounds. And the crystals are odorless. Commonly most of the crystals are odorless, few should be a smell or odor. So this is the carbaryl R7. The carbaryl can be another name can be stated as a 7. So the IUPAC name is 1-naphthyl methyl carbamate. Here I am explaining carbamate indicates that group here CH3 CH3 and NH2 group CH3 group and NH2 group. These are the groups. Here the carbamate, carbon and amide groups are same. The carbon and nitrogen, whenever to get bonding we call it as carbon and amide group, that is we stated can we call it as carbamate. And naphthyl, 1-naphthyl, for example whenever two benzene ring fused two the methyl carbamate. And also whenever the naphthyl 1-naphthyl methyl carbamate, it is a carbamate family. Commonly it is commonly white crystalline solid. It is soluble in very low 0.01%. It is a solubility in water. So probably it is stated can has it is hydrophobic in nature, but 0.01% sometimes it should be a solubility. The mechanism of action, how they are action of the carbaryl group are 7. The mechanism of action of insecticidal carbamate is identical to that of organophosphates with inhibition of enzyme cholinesterase. So here the common insecticidal, the mechanism of an action says the enzyme it inhibit the insecticidal. Sometimes the phosphatic groups are identical to the inhibition of an enzyme cholinesterase, an enzyme, and this enzyme has function of hydrolyzing the pod synaptic effector acetylcholinesterase, an enzyme which act as chlorine and acetic acid whenever it act as a disinfectant to kill the insecticides and to inhibition of the generating the cholinesterase, an enzyme. The inhibition of acetylcholine leads to a buildup of acetylcholine in the postsynaptic membrane and hence permanent nerve stimulation with lethal results. So, this is mainly insects causes a nervous problem and inhibits the reaction with acetylcholine. There is a lethal result to formation of the insecticides. The stimulation of insects manifests itself in uncontrolled movement and paralysis. So next move on to the synthesis. So here the synthesis is where two ways can be synthesized carbaryl. One method is methyl isocyanate method. So one method is methyl isocyanate method. Another method is non-methyl isocyanate method. In this method, what we listen in this concept, methyl isocyanate, by using methyl amine or naphthol. So naphthol containing the two benzene ring fused along with the hydroxyl group, so that is called naphthol. And also formation of methyl isocyanate or carbaryl. So here methyl isocyanate method can be preparation of carbaryl. First we are treating methylamine and phosgene, it's a toxic gas. So this phosgene and methylamine to the elimination of hydrochloric acid, and formation of methyl isocyanate. And this is the synthesis of basically methyl isocyanate method. Again this naphthol can be react with methyl isocyanate for the lone pair of electrons in the oxygen atom directly attack this carbon atom. After that the bond should be shifted, this bond should be shifted to this to get NH bond, and this group finally shifted towards this side to get the carbaryl method. This is the one method for the preparation of carbaryl, and another method for the preparation of carbaryl. So another method can be says that here it is also same but simple method, non-methyl isocyanate method. Here first we considering naphthol. We consider a naphthol. Naphthol can be taken. This naphthol react with phosgene gas. After that elimination of hydrochloric acid, remaining COCl will be attached to the naphthol ring of oxygen at the oxygen atom with elimination of hydrochloric acid group. After that this is the react with primary amine like methyl amide or CH3 NH2 group with the elimination of hydrochloric acid. For example here CH3 NH group. Here it is the lone pair of electron in the chlorine or nitrogen are directly attacked. That nitrogen attacked to the carbo group of the carbon atom with the elimination of chlorine with the loss of hydrochloric acid. Finally we get the carbaryl. This is a simple method for the preparation of carbaryl. So there are two methods of the preparation of carbaryl by this method. And what are the uses? So mainly it is commonly used to control aphids, fire ants, spiders and many other outdoor pests. It is also used some orchids to thin out blossoms on fruit trees. The carbaryl broad spectrum mainly insecticides used to control insects on citrus, nut, apple and cotton. It is also used for the protection of ornamental plants and forest plants. So thank you for watching. This is the carbaryl.